The second question is about the same child and about playing appropriately. All right, so the video is of Zio playing with a friend his age, and this is the only friend that he'll react to. So the problem is that, mom doesn't know, like, is this actually legitimate play or not? All right. So mom had turned on the music on the headset, and then Zio clapped his hands with mom's and while saying da 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 da. The child seemed to really enjoy this activity and wanted to keep going. All right. But because they were busy at a restaurant at that time and mom was busy talking with her friends, so she thinks that Zio decided to play the same game with his friend because mom wouldn't play with him as requested. And so the child often just slumps on the floor like we saw at the end of that video when he's playing. She wants to know, like, how can I introduce a more proper play activity? Or should I just let him have fun in his own way? So Zio's friend is just a regular developing child that, for whatever reason, loves my son so much that he goes along with this weird style of play. All right, I don't know about you, but when I was younger, I played really weird too. And all kids play really weird sometimes with their friends. However, the thing is that it's okay for right now, but you actually have to plan out for the future, which means that the friend might grow out of doing this, whereas your child might stick with doing this next year and the year after and the year after that, which means that you actually have to start developing a wider set of skills that the child can engage in with their friends. So for right now, it's okay. Let him play the way that he wants to play, but plan for the future, which means that, you want to teach specific play skills to him in a controlled situation, bring in this friend, bring in other friends, and have them do different things and have him be able to play with different games or different activities and things like that, that he can play with a wider variety of kids.